also, I actually want to take this opportunity to talk to the media for 1 second and say something. As a Mumbaikar, I think I was sitting over here and Shahrukh sir spoke about the 26/11 incident. And as a Mumbaikar, I got really choked up. So when a person of his stature speaks, I mean, you'll report a lot of things, but please make this a headline, what he said, because it because people sometimes, some section of people feel sometimes otherwise. But as a Mumbaikar, just sitting over there, I got really choked up and felt really special the way he spoke. And I'm sure आप सबको भी लगा वैसे. So I request anyone from the media and everyone from the media here that please make this a headline because this deserves to be a headline what he did.
हाय कृति,
What's up, Alok?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और गाना बहुत ताबड़तोड़ है और अब बीट है तो डांस करने में मज़ा आएगा. सवाल ये है कि आप दोनों से सवाल है कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिनके द्वारा आपके मन में इमोशन जागता है और आप इमोशनली हो जाते हैं.
इमोशनली इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जो इमोशन हाँ जो इमोशन है इसमें आई थिंक इट्स मोर प्लेफुल एंड फन बिकॉज जो ये लव स्टोरी ऐसे ही शुरू होती है जहाँ लड़का ट्राई कर रहा है लड़की के लिए और उसको देख के इसके मन में इमोशन जागरूक होता है. तो आई थिंक मेरे साथ काफ़ी बार हुआ है. जब मैं पहली बार कॉलेज गया था तो रोज डे था एंड आई सॉ दिस रियली ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. तो मेरे मन में इमोशन जगा बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट गर्ल वाज डेटिंग समवन एल्स. तो फिर एक और नया इमोशन आया. बट व्हाट अबाउट यू कृति?
क्या देख के इमोशन जागता है. आई थिंक आई रियली लव डांसिंग. सो एक्चुअली मुझे जब डांस करने को मिलता है लाइक व्हाट यू सॉ आई रियली फील हैप्पी एंड या there are a lot of things.
Actually she's a different person when we are shooting a song and she's a different person when we are shooting a scene.
Rubbish.
Yeah, she's much better. जब आप गाना शूट कर रहे हो कृति सैनन कृति स्वान के साथ तो वो मच बेटर है. उनका मूड बहुत अच्छा रहता है, खुश रहती है. और इस गाने में तो इतनी ठंडी थी तो मुझे तो बल्गेरियन लग रही थी उधर ईस्टर्न यूरोप में.
मैं ठंडी थी या वहाँ पे ठंडी थी?
नहीं आप तो गर्म थे उधर पर वातावरण में ठंड थी.
अभी तो नहीं, लेकिन जब ये Q&A खत्म होगा तो एक गुजारिश होगी कि आप दोनों अगर हम कर सकें इस गाने को.
ये बहुत अच्छा गाता है, बहुत.
मुझे पता है इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि वरुण अभी या आखिरी में.
हाँ ओए I'll do the dance step. I'll do one step.
कभी माइक ले लो.
So we've spent a lot of money.
इस गाने को देख के मन में क्या एक्चुअली आई हैव सीन दिस सॉन्ग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. मैं अभी गोवा से ही वापस आया हूँ इन द 7:30 मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट एंड जेन्युइनली मैं थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस था क्योंकि एक तो वो डॉल्बी का इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने बोला कैन वी लिव अप टू दिस. तो द हाइप वाज सो मच एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ द सॉन्ग एंड हर्ड इट विद द एटमॉस एंड एवरीथिंग I was quite happy and this is my 13th song with Remo D'Souza. So that is also a very proud moment. It's the 11th song in a year. In 1 year, me and he have done 11 songs, which is an achievement in itself. And he couldn't be here today, but for me that is also a very emotional, मन में emotional जागने वाला चीज़.
About the song, even I saw it for the first time actually. I had seen a very short version of it. And I really loved it. I mean, I was very happy. I was telling him, बीच में मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. But the locations, everything around, you know, I think it's very funky. It has a lot of color. And Remo sir's done a fabulous job with the choreography. And I think हम दोनों भी अच्छे ही लग रहे हैं.
I think हम खुश होके क्या करेंगे? The audience has to react to this.
आपके मन में emotion जागना चाहिए. जागा या नहीं? That's what I want to know.
And usually you're not very happy in other events. So I'm not going to take the name of which one, but thanks.
Let's move on to the next question, please. Yeah.
Hi, Varun. This is Urvi here from Pinkula. To your
Urvi,
center.
what's up? How's it going?
Hi, good. Varun, I just read that in this song during the shoot, you had to jump from almost
That truck.
12
Yeah.
from the truck. Was there any kind of nervousness that you had?
I'll tell you two things that happened and don't kill me for this. So the shot was that I jumped from this truck. I can stand on these? Okay, sorry. So I jumped from from a truck and I come here na Kriti.
Are you jumping
Just
on
jump.
me or
No,
what?
I won't jump on you. Stand over here. So I had to jump from the truck.
One second, the truck was much higher, right?
Exactly, the truck was much higher, so I looked much taller than Kriti. तो जब मैं ट्रक पे था तो मैं
और वो
बोल रहा
ट्रक
था
पे क्या लिखा था?
जो भी लिखा था क्या लिखा था?
Size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter. ठीक है वो मैंने लिखा था. But when I was on truck I was feeling हर्षा क्या रे? I was very happy. I was feeling big. ट्रक पे हूँ मैं पहली बार एंट्री हो रही है. ट्रक से कट टू जंप एंड वी रीच डाउन. तब ऐसे हो गया.
And he usually stands like this only, so it's very
I
weird.
have a wide stance to stand like that. तो तब मैंने बोला ये क्या हो गया?
और फिर तब
तो रेमो सर ने बोला कि
फिर ये
बड़ा
हो गया।
डांस, he said बड़ा डांस करो, बड़ा डांस करो. We can't have you squatting too much and all that stuff. But overall I think the truck is Rohit sir's idea that to truck से entry करना, गाड़ी वाड़ी बहुत हो गई अभी. तो I think I was a little scared that I don't get hurt, but then during a photo shoot जब Kriti jumped, she did fall. So I think she should answer.
Yeah, because I don't do it usually. He's very used to
I'm not
doing
jumping
action
from
and stuff.
trucks every day.
But you're used to doing action. I've never
is
done
my
it.
first Rohit
But he
Shetty
actually
film.
taught me how to fall and how to
fall?
Yeah, in the sense how to you need
हाँ.
to squat a little and all.
हाँ.
Also, Kriti, Varun, same, Urvi.
Urvi.
Varun is known for his, dance, and he has worked with Remo. This was the first time you are doing a hip hop number. How nervous were you when you had to match steps with him?
एक तो I think coming from Tiger to Varun firstly, I think मेरी training हो रही है अभी मुझे लग रहा है because मुझे ऐसी dancer type actors मिल रहे हैं जो बहुत ही फाड़ू
Her
dancers
third
हैं.
film is with Prabhu Deva.
So, but yeah, I was a little nervous considering the fact that he was coming after ABCD 2, and I had seen, and he had become he was dancing like a professional dancer, and of course Remo sir choreographing it. So there was this a little bit of nervousness, but I think when we started rehearsing, it did go fine. I mean, the only thing with him is that you really have to push yourself to be that energetic because he's always jumping.
Hi Varun, over here.
Hi, how are
Himesh
you?
here.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Varun, you paid tribute to Shah Rukh Khan and Humpty Sharma ki
Dulhania.
Dulhania. And then even on the Gerua song launch event, you and Kriti.
Yeah.
So if you have to remake any Shah Rukh Khan film, which one would it be and why?
The two actually that I really want to do. Maybe later. I don't know whether I can or no, but Dar or Bazigar. Because this always happens to me whenever I do a lot of happy films or happy things. Suddenly my mood turns badle ki taraf. So then, yeah.
There's a little dark side to him, yeah.
Varun, straight.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Sonu Pierre from Indian Express.
Hi, Sonu.
Hi. Varun, first of all, I'm interested in knowing how many number of cars were used in this song.
We didn't count.
No,
literally. बहुत
honestly,
सारी
there were a lot. They are over, I think, 60, 70 easily. And it's not actually, it's the quality of the cars. You had like every brand from a Mustang to a Beamer to a Hummer to a monster truck to a Ferrari. I mean, I was shocked myself that none of these cars get damaged, though they were not mine. But honestly, it looks expensive and it is expensive.
Also, we hear that Team Dilwale is going to Big Boss. What is it like, and have you already planned?
We are actually, me and Kriti actually might enter the house a little early. We might do it on this 28th with Manwa. We might, I've spoken to Salman Bhai, so he said, why don't you come and get the song there? I think Shah Rukh sir might go a little later. And I think when Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan are in the same frame, I don't think you want to see anyone else. तो मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं TV पे देखूँगा.
We've got time for one last question. So,
शिवांगी
Okay, we'll take two
मेरा सवाल कृति से है. कृति सॉन्ग में आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं और
Thank you.
सॉन्ग में हमने देखा है कि कहीं भी आपने हील्स नहीं पहना है.
मैंने पूरी पिक्चर में हील नहीं पहनी.
क्या ये आपके लिए
मैंने अभी भी हील नहीं पहनी है.
क्या आपके लिए ये डिसएडवांटेज था या एडवांटेज था?
No, I love wearing flats. Yeah, heels तो मतलब बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनको पहननी पड़ती है to look tall. I think it's an advantage. I don't like wearing heels. They're very uncomfortable.
हाय वरुण.
What's up, how are you?
गुड गुड गुड. वरुण, आप दोनों से सवाल है.
हाँ जी.
अगर जब भी शाहरुख की फिल्म आती है तो एक फेस्टिव सीजन हो जाता है
Correct.
और हम सब उसमें शामिल हो जाते हैं और इस बार आप दोनों भी इसमें शामिल हैं तो आई फील कैसा लग रहा है इस दिलवाले टीम से जुड़कर और इस फेस्टिवल को मनाना?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा हंसी खेल का माहौल है. साथ में शाहरुख भाई भी है और काजल मैम भी है. एंड आई थिंक ओवरऑल रोहित शेट्टी मेक्स फिल्म्स फॉर द फैमिली. आजकल बहुत कम डायरेक्टर रह गए जो फैमिलियों के लिए फिल्म बनाते हैं. And I think this film is like that. There's laughter, there's romance, there's drama, there's action. सब कुछ है एक viewer के लिए इसमें. And honestly, I do films so that when people watch it in the theater, they get a smile on it. And जब festive season है तो already जो इंसान है वो अंदर खुश आ रहा है. So we just want that when you come and watch this film, आप लोग जो कॉमन मैन है जो थका हुआ है इतना काम कर रहा है रोज अपनी फैमिली के साथ आता है and he just enjoys and relaxes. in one of the best ACs that PVR is offering, the best seats, the best sound, and he watches Dilwale aaram se and says, "Wah, kya film hai."
But are you expecting this to be another Dilwale Dulhania, and you wish that it goes on?
I hope. See, the idea is that we just hope people really love this film and like it, and like all the characters and our work.
And you can't compare, yeah. They're two
No, I'm not comparing. I'm just saying, do you wish that a movie of yours
Take it easy, Kriti.
becomes?
No, in the sense, बहुत अलग films हैं
Kriti.
actually.
मिस्टर चेक
Yeah. अरे आप हो मैम, कैसे हो? My favorite car is actually that monster truck. क्योंकि I told Rohit sir, I said आपकी हर फिल्म में तो हीरो के पास गाड़ी होती है और वो स्किट कर रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, पर ये ट्रक किसी के पास नहीं है.
और unfortunately ये गाने के लिए मिली है बस.
और ये ट्रक, I said I'll be the only like hero, I think in history of Indian cinema to enter on a monster truck.
मिस्टर बिजली
Thank you. Just praised myself, but thank you. I did. I tried to enter this event on that truck, but the authorities said they'll arrest me, so we dropped the idea.
Okay, one final question.
आपसे सवाल
हाँ जी, पूछिए आप.
कि बदलापुर में आपका इंटेंस रूप देखा
आप कहाँ के संवाददाता है?
मैं ईटीवी से हूँ.
हाँ?
ईटीवी.
ETV, हाँ जी.
जी. बदलापुर में इंटेंस रूप देखा गया आपका ABCD में. अब इस फिल्म में भी क्या हम इंटेंस पार्ट आपका देखने को?
एक इंटेंस पार्ट है, ड्रामेटिक पार्ट है थोड़ा, बट जो फिल्म है थोड़ी सी रोमांचक है, थोड़ी हंसी खेल के साथ है, एंड ऑब्वियसली रोमांस एंड ड्रामा है. देयर इज वन पार्ट जो मैं बताना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट एक ट्विस्ट जैसा है सेकेंड हाफ में, विच आई थिंक यूल सी, विच आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर पीपल टू सी. इट्स अ वेरी इमोशनल पार्ट.
Hi, my question is to Varun and Kriti. The trailer is out and some songs are also out. So
बात कर रहे हो, हमें तो पता ही नहीं था.
No. My question is, I want to know. Not much is known about the main plot of the film.
Correct.
So do you want
But
to?
that was the point, no?
Yeah. So is that the reason why? Is there something special about the?
You've seen Inception.
Yeah.
You understood it.
Yes.
You liked it.
Yes.
Then you like Dilwale also.
No, but my point is that a strategy to kind of hold?
See, there are a lot of things. There's the CEO of Red Chillies over here who's just looking at me कि तू भाई
बोल
तू
मत
ऑफिस
देना.
में मिल मुझे. No, but there's a lot to Dilwale, like I said, and it's a very big film. I don't think the entire film can fit into one trailer as in such. But there is a plot, there is a story, and it is totally logical. It does make sense. It's a full-on 2015 film which has a lot of twists and turns also, and you can mark me on this one. But we purposely not kind of shown too much about it because we want the audience to come to the theater and enjoy it. पहले ही सब कुछ दिखा दिया, फिर मजा
And
नहीं आएगा.
actually इस फिल्म में इतना सारा कुछ है that I remember telling Rohit sir कि आप पता नहीं कैसे काटोगे ट्रेलर because it's very difficult to actually show. Shut up.
Well, I hate to be the spoil sport here, but thank you everybody, and of course you'll get a lot of opportunities to interact with them.
Thank you
before
guys.
Dilwale
Thank you so
releases.
much. We love you.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much.